In modern manufacturing, surface finish is critical to the performance of most components. Introducing Dalal twin-disc finishing machine. It features a high-speed rotating disc, generating a controlled toroidal flow of components and abrasive media. Abrasive media interaction enhances surface quality, effectively removing burrs, parting lines, and flashes, while refining edges with precision. Post-finishing, separation begins. Surface smoothing is enhanced, ensuring superior powder coating results, and a refined final finish. Media passes through the screen, while components are retained cleanly and efficiently. The outcome: uniform results, reduced manual work, and faster cycle times. Dalal Engineering, where precision meets perfection.